Hey y'all, it's Treasurita and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to get right into the video. I'm just taking off my satin scarf. So this is typically what my hair looks like when I wake up. No, my hair is not matted, it's just really thick, and by the way that I sleep, it gets flat and deformed. Next, I'm going to take this spray bottle filled with nothing but water and spray my hair all over. So as you can see, I'm only spraying the outside of my hair because I don't want it to still be all wet and nasty when I get ready to take my hair down. Next, I'm going to take this Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioning spray. It smells so good and makes my hair so soft. Next, I'm going to use my favorite detangling brush. It literally glides through my hair. So you want to make sure you're smoothing your hair as you brush to check for any kinks and bumps, because for the next part we need our hair to be as smooth and sleek as possible. Next, I want to take this Eco Styler gel with argan oil. It does not make my hair stiff and crusty. It gives me that long, soft, smooth hold that I need, and about 2 fingerfuls works for my amount of hair. Next, I'm going to take this hard bristle wave brush. It works really well with my hair type and helps maintain my waves. So next, I'm going to take a scrunchie and make a simple bun. I typically have to repeat this step a few times because my hair is so thick and it's at such an odd length that all my hair won't wrap into one scrunchie, so I have to use about 2 or 3. Alright, this is the fun part. In the next clip, I'll show you how to make this super easy, life-changing hair extension. It literally takes only 3 seconds to make. But first, you want to make sure you find hair that is closest to your hair color and your hair texture, because we want this to look as natural as possible. Okay, so you want to take whatever hair you're going to use and lay it on a flat surface. Then you want to make sure you fold the hair so that it has an opening and a closing. So you want to open up the first fold of the hair and part it at the closing indentation. So you want to part your hair at the closing indentation so it'll align when you fold the hair back. You want to place the scrunchie in the middle, wrap it around, and pull it through the loop really tightly so it won't come loose. Man, it's time to be.
Says on the beat, boy.
So this part can get a little tricky. All you're going to do is take your opposite hand and use that to wrap the scrunchie around your bun. So this part is pretty explanatory. All you're going to do is wrap the weft hair around your bun, and you want to make sure you cover the scrunchies as you go. So next, you're just going to lift one of those scrunchies up and tuck that remaining piece right under, and you want to make sure you do it snug enough so whenever you brush your hair, it doesn't come loose. Next, I like to take a small piece of hair from underneath the ponytail, smooth it out a little bit, and wrap it around the top to hide everything and make it look neat. Next, I like to take a bobby pin to tuck that little tail piece right into the bun so you can't see it. Since this is curly hair, I like to separate the curls a little bit to make it look fuller and thicker, and it'll help hide that bun underneath a little bit more. The thing I love about this hairstyle is that it is very versatile. So next, I'm going to show you how to go from turn up to turn down. So all you're going to do is split the ponytail in 2 halves and smooth out each side with a brush. So for this part, you want to make sure you hold the hair taut because you're going to pull the hair as you wrap it and you don't want anything to slip off. So for this part, you can either use a scrunchie or a bobby pin. Sometimes it just depends, because I don't mind walking around with a headache, and sometimes I do. So it just depends on the type of person and what lifestyle you have. And that is it. Shout out to all my ladies in the military. I know it can get tough trying to figure out our hair and abide by all these regulations, but I hope this video helps. All the products that I've used can be found at the PX. I'm stationed in Japan and I found them here. But please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can help someone out there. And thank you so much for watching.